Today I am here to explore you about the new purpose, the power of subconscious mind. At the first place, what is subconscious mind? It means it control our all emotions, negative as well positive. So the power of subconscious mind. If we do anything by ourselves, so that time we feel depressed, hesitation and laziness to do something. So these all awareness are happening because of the subconscious mind. At the first place, how can we feel depressed? Depression, it indicates any works which is easy to do, but it forces us to think that it is difficult and we can't do it. Right now, why I say that it is easy to do? Because God gives us the title of Ashraful Makhluqat, so anything is not difficult for us. This is not difficult, but the subconscious mind forces us to think that it is difficult. Therefore we feel depressed and also become more and more bothered about this. And how can we feel hesitate? It means that when we go for any performance in our class or on the stage, so this time we feel hesitation because of the subconscious mind. It forces us to think that are we telling right or wrong, or audience can feel better or well. That's why we feel hesitation and also forget all these things which we had set in our mind, that we will share all these thoughts from audience about this at that moment. And how can we feel laziness? It means that if someone gives us any task to do, so that time we feel lazy because of the subconscious mind. It also forces us to think that we will do it later, or here then this time we will not do, but next time we will do. That's why this task has stood here and we can't do it anytime. Because of these, if we think anything about that, it will not happen by us. So this thing always not happen, because if we think anything about positive, so it will happen positive. If we think negative about anything, so it will also happen negative. Because for example, before when I went to any stage, so that time I feel hesitate. Because at that place I had become depressed, and I told myself, how should I speak? Therefore I forgot all these things which I had set in my mind to share with the audience, and also I cannot be perform well. Before I think about anything that I can't do it and it is difficult, but now I'm staying here because I'm thinking that it is not difficult, but we make it difficult by ourselves. So you say yourself that it is not difficult and we can do it, you can do it. If you tell yourself that you can do it, so you can also do it, because it is the biggest motivation or inspirations which affect us more than other motivation. If someone has motivated us, so motivation affects us till 1 hour, half an hour and hours. But if we motivated by ourselves, so this affects us permanently. So you should tell yourself that we can do it, and you should also tell yourself that what there that we have not.